These countertops have exceeded their economic lives, as has the dishwasher, garbage disposal. All this should be replaced. There we go. I don't have to tell you, exposed electric junctions. It smells to high heaven in here. We got burn marks on the countertops from where the oven was. That's some kind of a discussion plate for the gas line. We do have gas service here. I turned it on. I checked it for leaks. This vent hood again, seen better days. The light doesn't work. This has exceeded its economic life. The clothes washer, clothes dryer, it's 3-prong. There's a gas port right there that we're going to assume probably works. You should have a red and a blue handle to differentiate hot from cold. That is for the ice maker. That's also the bonding for the electric breaker box. We'll discuss that soon enough.